Today, we'll show you how to identify errors in matched data using SQL Editor. Click on the plus sign to add a new query. On the right-hand side, type Select From. Now, go to the left-hand side and select Entities Inputs. Enter the index number with the condition where status equals 5, error. Click on Run to execute the query. Check the Result Text column for error details, update the source data, and trigger the workflow to reprocess it. Now under the Match Output section, go to the Results table. Result Text, Country is required. Status, stands as 5. Index, as 11. Write the query to find errors. On the right side, type Select From. On the left, choose Entities Inputs and enter where index 11. Click on Run to execute the query. Results will be displayed in table format under the same screen. Check the results for the Country field. If it's missing or incorrect, we need to update it. To update the Country field, type Update on the right. On the left, select Entities Inputs, enter Set Country, US, where index 13. Click on Run to execute the query. Results will be displayed in table format under the same screen. After fixing the errors, let's restart the workflow. On the left-hand side, go to Workflows. Click Run against the workflow query. A prompt will confirm the workflow has started. On the right-hand side, type Select From. Then, select Entities Inputs on the left, entering the index number with the condition where index equals 11. Click on Run to execute the query. Results will be displayed in table format under the same screen. Under the results text, it is declared as matched.